TY-E852 Epoxy Chemical Anchor Adhesive is a fast-curing, multi-purpose, two-component modified epoxy resin anchor system for threaded bars and reinforcing bars in both cracked and uncracked concrete. It has strong penetrating power and can penetrate into the concrete surface well, aging resistance after curing, excellent water resistance and chemical corrosion resistance. The cured adhesive laye has excellent mechanical properties and has certain toughness. Modified epoxy resin, styrene-free, safe and non-toxic, high strength, strong adhesion, good toughness. The effect is equivalent to pre-embedded